Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, online classes of YouTube session. Today we will study method for solving second order and first degree differential equation. Before going this, we have completed that how to solve a differential equation of first degree and first order using variable separation method. Okay, let's come to the topic. Here, this has given that this is a second order and first degree differential equation. That means here it is given second order and first degree. That means the highest order derivative is equal to 2 and first degree, that means highest power equal to 1. So the equation involving highest order derivative 2 and the power of the highest order derivative is 1 is called as second order and first degree differential equation. So basically the differential equation is of the form d square y by dx square and the power is 1 is some function of h of x comma y. Then it is called as second order and first degree differential equation. So how to solve this type of differential equation using variable separation method? First, here this is the process. The general form of the second order and first degree differential equation is of the form d square y by dx square equal to some function h of x. Then here how we can write the d square y by dx square? The d square y by dx square means d square y by dx square means d dx of means derivative of dy by dx can be written as d square y by dx square. So here what we are considering, the dy by dx, that means the dy by dx as p, which can be written, and by differentiating what we will get, d square y by dx square this side and dp by dx this side. So from comparing the equation 1 and 2, we can conclude that the value of dp by dx equal to some function h of x, which is given in our first equation. So here dp by dx equal to h of x. So what we are doing in variable separation method, we separate the variables. So here p is one variable and x is one variable. So in one side of the equal to, we are writing all the variables which are in the form of p, and in the right hand side we are writing all the variables of x. After that, what we are getting, dp equal to some h of x dx. So after integrating both sides, integration of dp is p and integration of h of dx equal to some integration of, means as we don't know the function, I am writing the same plus some constant. So here we are again using the value of p that is given, means we are consider that p equal to dp by dx. So p जगह मु पुणी से value यूज करूची जोटा कि मु प्रथमे consider करथिली. So instead of p, I am writing dy by dx. So here it is a function of x. It will be a function of x because we are integrating with respect to x, and here it is totally a function of x. So by integrating this function again, what we will get, integration of dy, and before going that, we are what? Here we are separating the variables. So integration of h of x will be some g of x, and here a is a constant, so I am writing a, and by separating what you are getting, dy equal to some g of x plus a into dx. So after integrating, what I am getting, integration of dy equal to integration of some gx plus a, where g of x is the integration of h of x. So integration of dy equal to y and integration of gx dx plus integration of a dx plus some constant b. As we don't know g of x, so here I have written that function as it is. So according to our question, here the h of x, he means first we will find the g of x, and after that we will find again the integration of g of x, and that will be of some function of f of x. Okay. Now here I am doing one example. Find the general solution of the equation d square y by dx square equal to some 6x plus 2. So what here it is given? The differential equation is d square y by dx square equal to 6x plus 2. So first I am writing the differential equation d square y by dx square equal to 6x plus 2. Now according to my process, first what I will consider, according to the process, I will consider first dy by dx equal to p. So here also I am assuming the same, dy by dx that is equal to p. So substituting in equation, what I will get, d square y by dx square will be changed into dp by dx. So that the value of dp by dx equal to 6x plus 2. After that I am by the method of variable separation. This is a function of p and x, and this is a function of x only. That's why I am separating the variables p and x. So after that, integrating both sides, what I am getting, integration of dp that is equal to integration of 6x plus 2 dx. So it is the form of integration of h of x dx as I did in my process. So after that, integration of p dp equal to p, and integration of 6x that is equal to 6x square by 2 plus integration of 2 that is 2x plus some constant here. So p equal to, here by cancelling 6 and 2 I am getting 3x square plus 2x plus a. After that, what I did in my process, again I changed the value of p into dy by dx. So it mu puni kon karithili, p ku dy by dx boli consider karithili. So in place of p I am writing dy by dx. So I am getting this equation. After that, by using the variable separation method again, here I can write this as dy equal to 3x square plus 2x plus a into dx. Here I am separating the variable y and x. After that, I am again integrating both sides. So I am getting integration of dy that is equal to integration of 3x square plus 3x plus a into, 2x plus a into dx. So integration of dy that is equal to y, and here integration of 3x square. So I will get x cube by 3 into here 3, as 3 is a constant, so taken out. Here integration of 2x that is equal to 2 into x square by 2. Here integration of a that is equal to ax, and b is some constant written. So what we are getting, y equal to x cube, by getting 3 in the numerator and denominator cancelled. So here 2 and 2 are cancelled. So x square, here ax plus b. So the this is the required general solution for the differential equation. What? D square y by dx square equal to 6x plus 2. Here the order is 2. That's why we have two arbitrary constants, that is a and b. So I am writing this is a general solution. Now, how to find particular solution of a differential equation? I have said that in general solution we have arbitrary constant, and in particular solution we don't have arbitrary constant, and we have only particular values in place of arbitrary constant. That's why I have written the general solution of the differential equation contains as many as arbitrary constant as the order of the differential equation. So डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर जो होगा उतना ही नंबर आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट होंगे, लेकिन पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन में कोई भी आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट नहीं होगा. सो पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए मुझे क्या चाहिए, सम कंडीशन चाहिए या सम वैल्यूज फॉर द पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज फॉर द आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट चाहिए. so we need condition to find out the particular values for the arbitrary constant of the differential equation. So here how to find the particular solution and how to use the condition, I will explain it detailedly. So first the question is dy by dx इक्वल टू cos x सब्जेक्ट टू कंडीशन, क्या कंडीशन दिया हुआ है, y इक्वल टू 2 व्हेन x इक्वल टू 0। सो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, कभी कभी आपको ऐसे भी दिया होगा y ऑफ 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2, दैट मीन्स ऐसे कुछ लिखते हैं y ऑफ x इक्वल टू और f ऑफ x इक्वल टू सम वैल्यू लिखते हैं। सो हियर एज y इज द फंक्शन ऑफ x, सो y ऑफ 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2, मतलब जब x का वैल्यू 0 होगा तब y का वैल्यू 2 होगा, जो कि यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है। सो गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन जो है dy by dx दैट इक्वल टू cos x, सो इसको रीअरेंज करके लिखने से मतलब बाय separating the variables what we are getting dy equal to cos x into dx, so integrating both side integration of dy into equal to integration of cos x dx, integration of dy क्या है, y है, and integration of cos x क्या होगा, sin x plus c होगा। so after that ये क्या होगा, मेरा जनरल सॉल्यूशन होगा, क्यों, यहाँ पर एक आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट है c, एंड ये यहाँ पर जो इस सॉल्यूशन में जो आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट है उसका नंबर क्या है, 1 है, यहाँ पर एक ही आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट है, एंड यहाँ पर ऑर्डर क्या है, 1 है। इज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन dy by dx इक्वल टू cos x का, सो ये क्या होगा, एक जनरल सॉल्यूशन होगा, ये पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन नहीं। यहाँ पर मुझे c का वैल्यू निकालना है, इसलिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये कंडीशन को यूज करेंगे y ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू 2 और y इक्वल टू 2 व्हेन x इक्वल टू 0। सो जब इसको यूज करेंगे which is what putting the condition that is y equal to 2 when x equal to 0। so यहाँ पर हम लोगों का जनरल सॉल्यूशन जो आया था y equal to sin x plus c आया था। so in place of y I am writing 2 and in place of x I am writing 0, so 2 equal to sin 0 plus c, so I am getting 2 equal to c or c equal to 2। so we are getting the particular value for the arbitrary constant c as 2, that's why I am writing what the particular solution of the differential equation is y equal to sin x plus c था, and c का वैल्यू हम लोग निकाले कि 2, so sin x plus 2। here I have solved one more question, find the differential equation d square y by dx square equal to 2x when x equal to 0 y equal to 2 and dy by dx equal to 3। इसका मतलब क्या है, जब x 0 होगा तो y का वैल्यू 2 होगा एंड dy by dx का वैल्यू 3 होगा। तो उसको कुछ अलग नोटेशन से ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, y of 0 equal to 2 and dy by dx at the point x equal to 0 it will be 3। so जो given differential equation है मैं उसको लिख दिया हूँ d square y by dx square equal to 2x, and d square y by dx square को आप लोगों को तो अभी बताया था मेथड ऑफ मीन्स जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सेकेंड डिग्री एंड फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का होगा, सॉरी सेकेंड ऑर्डर एंड फर्स्ट डिग्री का होगा, उसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं उसके हिसाब से हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सो d डिवाइडेड बाय dx ऑफ मींस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x ऑफ dy बाय dx इक्वल टू 2x, इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं। उसके बाद क्या करना है, इंटीग्रेशन करना है। सो इंटीग्रेशन लेने से बोथ साइड क्या होगा, dy बाय dx इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2x विल बी 2 into x square by 2, so 2 and 2 are cancelled and a is added to it। so what I am getting, dy by dx equal to some x square plus a। आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन अगेन हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा, यहाँ पर वेरिएबल सेपरेट करने के बाद अगर इंटीग्रेशन फिर से करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक ये जो क्वेश्चन है एक फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एंड फर्स्ट डिग्री डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, एंड वी कैन सॉल्व दिस एज by using method of variable separation method because this is only a function of x। so integrating both side we will get y equal to x square का इंटीग्रेशन x cube by 3 plus a का इंटीग्रेशन ax plus some constant is added to it, so b। so here we will use the condition, जो dy by dx है वो क्या दिया हुआ है, 3 दिया हुआ है, जबकि x का वैल्यू 0 होगा। सो हम लोग यहाँ पर dy by dx का वैल्यू क्या डालेंगे, 3 डालेंगे एंड x का वैल्यू 0 डालेंगे, तो हम लोगों को a का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा। सो 3 इक्वल टू 0 प्लस a, दैट इंप्लाइज a का वैल्यू क्या है, 3 है। सिमिलरली यहाँ से हम लोगों का a का वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल गया है। अगर हम लोग ये a का वैल्यू यहाँ पर डाल देंगे एंड हम लोगों को दिया हुआ है कि y का वैल्यू 2 होगा जब x का वैल्यू 0 होता है। सो आई एम राइटिंग इन प्लेस ऑफ y 2 and in place of x I am writing 0। so x cube divided by 3, so 0 divided by 3 0 into 3 into x। यहाँ पर 3 क्यों डाल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हम लोग अभी निकाले कि a का वैल्यू 3 है। सो 3 into x का वैल्यू तो 0 है, 0 डाल दिया प्लस b। सो यहाँ पर ये टर्म 0, दिस इज ऑल्सो 0, सो b का वैल्यू क्या आ रहा है, 2 आ रहा है। सो दिस इज द particular solution of the differential equation. Thank you.